So within the past year, we've seen an incredibly volatile crypto market. The total cryptocurrency market cap has been fluctuated between a huge gap of $1 to $3 trillion. That is insane price action for just 1 year and amazing for new investors to open up opportunities to make life-changing gains through their investment. Starting off the year of 2022, we've seen even more reasons for volatility within the markets. With the new administration in office, the Ukraine and Russia feud, to record-breaking inflation, and of course the developments of crypto regulation, investors are becoming more and more fearful of the markets today. It's times like this though where it's critical to put emotions aside and utilize the investing principles that have been proven to work through many successful investors. Even in the most recent weeks, Bitcoin's dominance in the market has gone up 43% for the first time since November, when its price was at an all-time high of $69,000. A great number. Now, why is this all happening? Why are investors pulling money out of altcoin and even putting it into Bitcoin right now? This just has to do with basic investor psychology and being in that state of fear. Right now, investors view altcoins as riskier investments compared to Bitcoin because of the global recognition of Bitcoin and since it has become more widely adopted this far. But these fearful investors are overlooking an important part about the underlying technology in digital assets, and that is the utility that these coins and projects provide. Even through 2021, it's been proven that most altcoins with proven utility outperform Bitcoin by a significant amount. Altcoin millionaires are made far more often than Bitcoin millionaires, and when it comes to long-term crypto strategies, finding coins with undeniable utility at low prices will make you that crypto bread and work towards your financial freedom. Everyone has their own personal situations, and what works for me or someone else might not work for you, so always do your own due diligence and invest within your risk profile. Now, the reason you clicked on this video is not to hear me ramble about Bitcoin dominance or the overall state of the crypto market. You clicked on this video to know what are the best cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. So let me tell you that you're in the right place. I spend several hours every day researching so that you don't have to, and by sticking around until the very end of this video, you'll have a great idea of which cryptocurrencies you should be on the lookout for. Now, before we get into the first coin on my list, if you can do me a quick favor and drop a like down below on this video and subscribe if you have not done so already, that would mean a lot. So the first crypto to invest in 2022 is going to be Avalanche. So why is Avalanche an essential in every investor's portfolio, and is it too late to invest in now? So among many crypto experts and analysts, AVAX is one of the favorite and most admired Ethereum killers. The Ethereum blockchain is currently the most popular choice for decentralized applications because it's still the first of its kind. But as time goes on, there has been an increasing number of better alternatives. The Ethereum blockchain has been struggling with their high transaction costs, their proof of work methodology, and the speed of transactions completed per second. Now, they've been in the works of launching Ethereum 2.0, but the project has been delayed several times, and there hasn't been a clear indication on when that date for the new ecosystem to take place would be. With the issues in Ethereum's blockchain, there still has been a ton of competitors that have been looking to replace the flawed Ethereum blockchain. This is where AVAX comes into the picture, are blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. To give you some insight into the speed comparison between Ethereum and AVAX, while Ethereum can complete just about 30 transactions per second on their blockchain, AVAX can go ahead and complete 6,500 transactions while focusing on scalability. The issue with several blockchains is that once they get large enough, there is an inevitable high-cost transaction fee required to remain decentralized. To solve this issue, Avalanche has a unique blockchain system that pretty much integrates 3 different and individual blockchains that all work together in dividing the different computing tasks and creates that insane speed and efficiency as well as those low costs. Avalanche was launched in September of 2020 and has already become the 9th largest crypto in the entire market with a market price of $92 and is supported by some of the largest DeFi companies and decentralized applications in the market. During the bull market this past November, AVAX made highs of $135, and in my non-financial opinion, I think it may happen once again. Moving on our list for crypto number 2, I believe Terra Luna is an essential that you should also have in your portfolio. Luna is another blockchain protocol that uses a stablecoin, also known as UST, in order to create their successful Terra ecosystem. Now, the explanation can get a little complicated, but all you need to know is that Luna and UST are mutually dependent and that Luna is used to stabilize the price of that stablecoin, UST. So what makes this unique and a good buy? Well, Terra pretty much gives you the best of both worlds when it comes to actually using crypto as a currency. With Luna, you get the the borderless benefits of cryptocurrencies with the price stability of fiat currency. Now, the way Terra can do this is because they allow you to swap Luna and stablecoins at a profitable exchange rate, so they will always have a balance of supply and demand with stablecoins, and will incentivize Luna holders to swap their tokens if needed with higher exchange rates. This makes Luna super effective in the functionality of DeFi with its mirror and anchor protocols. Terra users can do things like invest in synthetic assets and earn interest on their crypto savings. Essentially, this is anything that you could do through traditional banks, but over into the DeFi world. Now, truth be told, I wouldn't have guessed that a stablecoin platform would get so popular so quickly as Terra is today. The total volume transacted over the network went from $50 million at the beginning of last year to over $18 billion this year. That's a 36,000% increase, and clearly the speed, security, and low fees of the Terra network have generated a lot of interest. It also helps that with the Anchor protocol, you can also find yourself earning an annual interest of 20% on your UST holdings. This is strong for a coin that's not actually designed to be an investment asset, and it makes investing in traditional assets like bonds and CDs even less appealing than they already were at today's low interest rates. In the big picture, as the DeFi sector grows, the utility of UST is going to grow with it as well. More people are going to need stablecoins to interact with crypto financial services, and UST is better positioned to capitalize on that demand than less stable and less reputable competitors that we've seen go through a lot of controversy in the space. And if that wasn't enough, what I love about Luna is that it's also a governance token, which means that as a Luna holder, you're able to vote and make your voice heard in future projects and the direction that Luna goes in. Luna is currently trading at a price of $56 and is at a significant discount from its high of $93 just 1 month ago. Now, the third crypto on this list is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. Cosmos has a unique and innovative blockchain that focuses on solving some challenging problems facing the blockchain industry today. Apart from its focus on offering a quick, low-cost, and scalable environment, it also aimed towards making blockchain technology less complex and difficult for decentralized application engineers and developers. By far, the coolest feature about the blockchain is the Cosmos Hub. The hub allows for blockchain networks to communicate with each other, also known as interoperability. This is so important because having the network that connects other cryptocurrencies together can allow for even more scalability and cooperation within the space. There are hundreds of blockchains in existence, and all of them are created to be singular. So when we get almost the glue to all these amazing projects, we could see some tremendous impact happening within the space. As mentioned in the white paper, Cosmos permits blockchains to run concurrently with one another while retaining interoperability. The Cosmos Hub essentially manages a number of other independent blockchains and acts as the central ledger for the entire system that allows anything that you can think of happening on one blockchain to happen on one another. In a way, you can think of it as while other competing blockchains are looking to beat one another, the Cosmos Hub is looking to own the rest of them and make them their daddy. Cosmos is currently number 21 in the crypto market with a current price of $28 and has a strong proven support price of around $20. I do believe that Cosmos is currently on a discount, but if you are looking for a safer and less risky entry point, you can definitely wait to see if the price dips down to the lower 20s. Now, the next cryptocurrency I have on my list is Harmony One. Harmony One has a powerful underlying blockchain technology using a rather old concept known as sharding. Sharding has been around for a while, but it's not the type of sharding that you might be thinking of. Sharding when it comes to crypto is to simply put a blockchain network that is broken into smaller, more manageable segments, and instead of having one giant blockchain trying to process everyone's transactions at the same time. Many blockchains now are getting processed simultaneously and communicate back to the main chain once completed. When it comes to blockchain, sharding allows for transactions to become processed and validated significantly faster, and since Harmony One was one of the first projects to implement sharding, they have that leader's advantage. In addition to all that, Harmony One is also a proof of stake blockchain that allows for low cost and energy efficient transactions and has an open governance feature as well. With all that said, I'm not all that surprised that the total value locked, or the TVL, of Harmony went from $135 million to over $1 billion in the past 5 months. This massive increase was largely due to Harmony's team dedicating over $300 million to marketing and showing the crypto community what their platform offers, and once word got out, developers and users came flooding in. So what is TVL and why is this important? Very simply put, for any of our beginners, it is overall the value of crypto assets deposited within a DeFi protocol, and it's the key indicator for gauging interest within the crypto community. Out of the entire $1 billion, 56% of that total value locked is in, you guessed it, DeFi Kingdoms. DeFi Kingdoms is also a play to earn game, an exchange, a liquidity pool opportunity, and a marketplace for NFTs. Now, if you haven't heard of DeFi Kingdoms before, definitely check it out, as it has become one of the most popular games in the crypto world. Now, compared to the other coins on my list, Harmony One has a lower market cap and a lower price as well. At the time of filming this video, Harmony One is ranked number 53 in market cap and is just at the price point of 19 cents. Within the past 1 year, Harmony One has also reached the low of 2 cents and a high of 38 cents. So it goes without saying, this is a riskier and more volatile investment. So don't YOLO your money into this project without doing your full research. To add on top of that though, in my non-financial advice, Harmony One has a strong support line at around the 15 cent mark. So if you are bullish on this project as well, play it safe, keep up with the company, read their white paper, and look for any further updates on the project. Now, the last coin in my list is going to be Near Protocol. And now I know I sound like a broken record because Near Protocol is another layer one blockchain designed for fast transaction speeds with low costs. But there is some additional utility added to this project, which is why it made my number 5 list. So what that is Near does a great job in catering their environment for decentralized apps by making it a user-friendly platform. Now, if you are like me and you aren't an IT geek or have experience in programming decentralized apps, all you need to know is that the Near protocol gives users and developers a platform that is similar to what they are familiar with. Now, how has something as complicated as a blockchain be in any way user-friendly? A simple example is that they use readable account names instead of the cryptographic wallet addresses used in other blockchains. As an example, if I'm trying to send or receive any type of crypto, and you guys have done this too before, you're gonna see a random string of numbers which can be fairly long. In addition to that, Near uses an improved variation of sharding that goes a step beyond the regular sharding process and actually produces a fraction of the next block in the blockchain. Near is able to process 100,000 transactions per second while being able to keep transactions pretty much at $0. And if that wasn't enough for you, go read Near Protocol's plans for Q4 2022 when they launch Nightshade Phase 3. It goes without saying that Near has some pretty awesome advantages, and that is why more and more developers are finding their way to the Near protocol, or they're getting near it. Aha. Drop a like if that was a funny joke. Near Protocol is also backed by other crypto whales like Coinbase and Andreessen Horowitz, and currently they're sitting at about $11, and I believe it has plenty of room to grow. Near was over $20 in its previous all-time high just a month ago, and factoring in the utility within the project and the support they have financially from VC firms, I would definitely keep this coin on your watch list if it has not been there already. I know it may be difficult in differentiating the utility in certain blockchains and cryptocurrencies from one another, but it is so important for you to learn how to do that as well. Apart from watching this video, spend some time going through white papers, articles, project websites, and social media outlets. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, you need to take everything into consideration and do your proper due diligence as well. In doing this kind of research, you may even find the next cryptocurrency that goes 100x. Guys, if you did enjoy this type of video, let me know down below. We always do a code word for any of our new subscribers, and for that code word in today's video, it's going to be Peru. Thank you all so much again for watching today's video. And if you guys want to have a chance of joining my private membership group, link down below in the Patreon, you can do so as well. In there, you'll find access to my buy and sell orders, my current portfolio, some of the cryptos I'm holding, how much I'm invested into the crypto markets. And in addition to that, we have top teachers, analysts, and other people like tax experts focused on the blockchain coming into our group, holding exclusive meetings and lessons for our members there. And if you guys want to step up your crypto game and you want to learn what the next crypto may be that pops off, take a look at the link down below in the description, check us out, and have a chance of joining the Jungle Nation. In addition to that, don't forget to follow me over on Twitter and on Instagram, link down below in the description. Just a forewarning, there are gonna be scammers that go ahead and follow you after you follow me, asking you for money. Please do not fall for it. Please do not get scammed. That is not me. But follow me on those social media platforms if you guys wanna have a more up-to-date insight on what I'm up to, some things I'm doing, maybe even a day in the life of what I'm eating or what I'm hitting at the gym. With all that being said, you guys, thank you again for watching today's video. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.